How to use light on Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now you can select the image that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Now I'm being loaded to this editing interface. So again, simply tap on this picture. So here on the bottom, if you scroll down, here you'll be able to see the option called light on. So what does light on do? It simply adjusts the brightness automatically and makes the picture more visible and more better. So simply tap on light on, and as you can see, it has completely changed the photo and it has automatically increased and adjust the brightness. So it is a quick tool that you can use. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.